Hi guys, working on a 2014 BRZ, same as FRS. Got a lot of people asking me how to take the stereo out, and it looks pretty intense, but it's really not that bad. You have this cover, needs to come out. It's got these little clips behind it. Take a flathead screwdriver, preferably something thin so you don't damage your dashboard. And if you can just snug it in here between this line and the dashboard, just in here, very little, it will. See where I got my screwdriver? This cover just pops out. It's on these little clips, that's all it is. There's not much to it. If you want to pull it out, paint it, put it back in, be my guest. So once you get this off, put your fingers right here and just give it a little snug, and believe it or not, voila, there's the rest of it. So after removing that cover and then this cover, there's a couple tins holding the stereo. One right here, there's one right here, and one right here, there's one more right here. Removing these 4 tins literally unlocks your stereo, and there's a lot of plugs back here. Just go ahead and unplug everything. Push that, pops right out. There's a big one back here. Several of them. I drilled a hole through my finger, so it's kind of hard for me to push it. There's one more. There it goes. And there's one right here. That's a bunch of plugs. If you're replacing the stereo, make sure you plug all the plugs back in. The stereo is actually pretty nice. The navigation unit still has a SIM disc in it. If anybody needs it, give us a call.